It's finally here. So this wouldn't be an unboxing on my channel if there weren't some mishaps in trying to acquire the product, but I will get to that story later. If you like unboxings, subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely be doing more in the future, hopefully more around iPhones. Oh my god. I had it like all planned out, but then I just got really excited. But let's unbox this. First, the quick specs. This is iPhone 12 Pro and the white silver color, and it's the 256 gigabytes. Okay, I'll box it and then I'll get to my backstory after I unbox it so I don't make you guys that don't care about me wait. Okay. I'm shaking. I had a lot of espresso before this. I had too much espresso before this.
Look at here, you're not gonna look into the camera and we'll be able to see you there. Gotta look at this camera.
Don't blame me for my espresso habits. Goodness, apple.
I like doing that.
Yeah, I mean this would just be easier if anyone else were opening this box. Is this little flap that's my issue.
There you go.
Ooh, oh, it didn't open the way I expected. So pretty. Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, they taped it in here too. So this is Apple's most minimal box, and you can definitely tell it is Apple's most minimal box. Minimal. There's nothing. This is an unnecessary box. But I get there. Look at this. What a beauty. She's so pretty. She's square. I love that. This phone is worth more than me. Okay, so all it comes with so far is the phone with a little bit. This is a lot less plastic than like my iPad unboxing was. And I think every iPhone I've had in the past has been a lot more plastic. I got the sticker, the SIM card, thingy-majig, and the charger, but no box, which is going to be an issue. I ordered the charger, but it's in the mail, and I have no idea when it's delivering because UPS is being weird.
That's it.
There's nothing under this.
There's nothing else to take out. There you
Ooh.
go.
I will have to plug her into my computer though because I backed up my last phone on there. Hello.
Oh, you already swiped up, so you can't.
Sorry. United States. Set up manually? Oh. Current iPad or iPhone.
Yeah, so this is where you'll have to plug it into the computer.
Oh.
What?
It's connecting because they're next to each other.
Nice.
I should know this. Don't look at my desk. I'm gonna not film this part.
Okay.
Unless you guys want my social security. Subscribe for my social security number. With each new 1,000 subscribers, you get a digit. I took notes. During
what?
Class. On like what I was excited about and stuff.
Oh. Can I hold it?
Yeah, it's just aluminum. I already got fingerprints on it.
Ooh. This is
It
actually
looks
like the
nice.
best feeling phone.
I like the corners.
The corners?
Yeah, like how it's shaped like my iPad and not my old phone.
Wow.
Ooh.
Is this the one with the Dolby colors?
I believe that's the Pro Max, but
Really?
I could be wrong.
I thought they came with both. You setting up Face ID?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna matter though, because you're just gonna have to back it up anyways. Right? Or.
Oh, it's setting it up from here.
Oh, nice.
That's nice. I've never had that happen before. I've always had to back up my iCloud. Okay. Alright, so like I said earlier, this would not be an unboxing video on my channel if there were not something happening when I was trying to get the phone. Apple specialist, I have a bone to pick. This is my birthday present. This is all I wanted for my birthday from everyone. I just really wanted this new phone. I was really excited about it. I have been stalking Mac rumors, Apple rumors for months, trying to figure out when it's going to come out, what it's going to do, everything. Super excited. So when I found out at 5 a.m. my time, October 16th, that pre-orders are set up, I woke up at 4:50 my time to buy it. I started putting in the purchase, and then at a certain point, when you select like your color, how many gigabytes, blah, 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 at a certain point, it stopped letting me hit continue to go to the next step. And I was like, that's really weird. So I went and I found their automated little help service dude. And I was like, I'm having an issue with the purchase. And it was like, what is your issue? And it was none of the issues. So I was like, may I talk to a specialist? And it's like, what do you want to talk to a specialist about? And I was like, purchase issue. And I was like, are any of these your purchase issues? And I was like, no. And they're like, what can you do for you? I was like, can I talk to a specialist? And I was like, what do you want to talk to a specialist about? And I was like, okay, that's just taking me in a circle. So I went and I found where you can talk to like a live specialist who's just going to text you. And I entered my problem. Before you even talk to them, they asked, what's your issue? And I said, I'm trying to purchase the iPhone 12 and it is not letting me hit continue to purchase. And then it connected me to a specialist and he was like, hi, how are you? I was like, hi, how are you? Thank you for talking to me. And then he asked me a bunch of questions. He was like, are you trying to purchase on apple.com? What are you trying to purchase? What step are you stuck on? Can you send me a screenshot? We were talking for like 20 minutes. And then I sent him a screenshot and then he's like, okay, I'm going to go talk to my advisors. And then 5 minutes later, he comes back and he's like, actually, I don't do purchases. You're going to have to call this number. So I didn't want to call the number because I don't like talking to people on the phone. So I just searched iPhone 12 pre-order on Twitter and I found out a lot of other people were having the same problem on the website, but they downloaded the Apple app and were able to buy it through there. So I bought it through there and then I went back to bed. And then I also had to call my bank to make sure that they didn't cancel it, they canceled my iPad. But I was able to buy it, and I'm really, really grateful. Thank you to my family for helping me buy this for my birthday. Now let's talk about some of the specs. So I watched the Apple event live instead of doing my homework in class like I was supposed to be, and I took notes about what I was most excited about and kind of what's happening with this one. So currently I have the XR, so this is a few steps above the XR. Excited about ceramic shield. That's really interesting. I have cracked this one, but just the screen protector.
When does your phone case come in?
My phone case hasn't even shipped yet.
Oh. So you're gonna be using this for a week or two?
Yeah.
You're gonna fucking break it?
No. This one, bless you. Hopefully, if I barely scratch this one with a screen protector, ceramic shield, we'll save that one. The OLED display. Do you have more to say about display than I do? Just about 10-bit, because you're really good at explaining 10-bit and stuff, and I'm not.
The display is brighter and has better colors.
Yeah, in layman's terms.
OLED just means that, in comparison to just these screens, on the 10, it just means it's brighter, it's more efficient, and it displays more accurate, vibrant colors.
Yes,
and they're spendy panels.
Very. The A14 Bionic chip, that is a step above the chip that is in the older phones. They have the A13. Supposedly that's going to help it run a lot faster and smoother. 5G. Technology is getting to 5G. You're probably not going to use 5G a whole lot yet, but a few years down the road, I'm probably going to be happy that I have a phone with 5G. MagSafe. Okay, I also ordered the charger and I really wanted to show you guys how it worked, but it hasn't come in the mail yet. I will be updating you as soon as it comes in the mail, and I do like a what's on my iPhone video so we can see how that works. Because I'm really excited about it, and I'm really excited to test what? Like, is there something I can like magnet it to right now?
I don't know if is that safe to use the magnets with?
Hey, a lot of people are excited about that because that's what keeps the MacBook charger connected to your MacBook. That'll keep
the old MacBook charger.
The
because they took it away because they're pee-pee poo-poos.
They're pee-pee poo-poos.
Seriously, I'm pissed about that.
ProRes. That's not coming yet, but when that comes.
What are you looking at?
ProRes. I'm just looking at my notes. Ooh, they want to be carbon neutral by 2030, which really excites me, and I think this box is kind of a good step, except for I need to buy a box for this now. So I need to make a separate purchase because this is USB-C at one end. Which also, I was very excited because a lot of Mac Rumors websites were saying that the phone is going to be USB-C. Unfortunately, it's not, but I was really excited because then I would only need one charger for my iPad and my phone. Hopefully they get there one day. I'm counting on you, Apple.
Yeah, okay.
That was the one thing that I really wanted that they didn't deliver, but they more than delivered on the cameras. As soon as everything is done switching over, I'm going to test out the night mode. It's actually very dark outside right now, so I'm really excited to see how that works. And we're going to take some pictures.
I'm going.
Let's get married like in the promo.
Wow, this stabilization's really good.
She's up. Okay, I think this is going to have iOS 14, and I did not yet download iOS 14 on my last phone. Okay, I will be updating you guys when I do what's on my iPhone, all about everything that I do when I update my iOS 14. I'll update you guys when I get my case and when I get the new charger. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see from me. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!
I heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.